Welcome to my cuisine today. Clap. If you're happy, if you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet, stomp. Can you tell me what do you see here? This is? Excellent, Billy. This is watermelon. Watermelon. How about this? These are bananas. Amazing. And here we have peanut butter. Peanut butter. Amazing. Candy. Yes, candy. How about this? This is a sandwich. Okay, I made this sandwich using these ingredients here. These are its eyes, mouth, ears. Eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Are you ready to make a sandwich yourselves? I can't hear you. Are you ready to make a sandwich yourselves? Okay.
Háo hức quá đi. So cute. Amazing. Wow. Thành của đây rồi ba mẹ ơi.